Good morning, everybody. Another beautiful day up here at Twin Lakes. I feel like I've been eating, sleeping, breathing this bus, as does Robert, and that's probably because we have. Today marks day 15 of the build, and we plan to finish sealing up the walls with the insulation and get the floor in. The floor is going to have all the insulation. It's going to be raised about 2 inches, so we're going to lose a little bit of height on the top, but we're going to gain a lot of heat and sound insulation. So follow today. Getting the covering panels fitted over.
We got a visitor, it's Bella the dog, yeah.
Robert just got back, and look at what he got. Our dome skylight that will be our roof access hatch as well. Exciting. Measuring around the wheel well. Fits almost like a glove. Perfect. And in goes this last little piece for the end of the bus. Good job, Robert. And the wheel wells. So now we're gonna keep working. It's taking longer than we thought, but par for the course. It's always fun to hide little messages in the floor. All right, end of day update. Check this out. We're getting this insulated and all foamed in. Robert's just laying there. We didn't get quite as far as we wanted, but we got far. Good job, baby. See you guys later.